Concentrix. Nawala na ako sa laro. Sa Silianes, andyan pa rin. Martinez hits the shot. Martinez pushing. Almost get an N1. Ito na. Fresh legs. Almost N1. Yes, okay. Ang composure ng tao na to. 1 point in the first throw. Second throw. Another good throw. Second, abot ng penalty. Quarter. First quarter, early penalty. Ngayon naman sa Martinez. Wow! Jania Barrientos. At Jania Barrientos move your partner. From left to right, kung wala kang stretching, hindi malakas yung tuhod mo, bumigay na yun. First throw, 1 point. Ang ganda ng... Eto, kung makuha, maganda to. Ay! Ang ganda! Hindi lang pumasok, pero he still fishes for a foul. Ang ganda nun. Kung wala kang exercise, wala kang endurance, ang ganda. Nakuha, ang ganda na pagkakuha. Huli lang. Yes. Yan na. Fatigue up their side, so no need to rush things over. Nako, yun ang masakit.
And that's a big shot.
For picking up to the finals.